Now you show me I can learn to, yeah, how to be okay again. Oh, feeling so high on that look in your eyes. I got nothing but time for you. I believe that loneliness is my disease. I believe that you are the remedy. You are, yeah. You are, yeah. You are the remedy. You are, yeah. You are the remedy. I believe that loneliness is my disease. I believe that you are the remedy. I believe that loneliness is my disease. I believe that you are the remedy.
I'm losing it. 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 I'm losing it.
She just moved to LA, go to UCLA, and she drive a Maserati. Then she got a body, she be tryna party. She be tryna party. She just moved to LA, go to UCLA, and she drive a Maserati. Then she got a body, she be tryna party. She be tryna party. you gotta lose somebody just to find you really love someone. Oh, and I do, and I do, and I do, yeah. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find you really love someone. Oh, see me tryna party, she just moved to LA.
Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. First nigga gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Fall so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that those shit phase. Next could go 0 for 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Fall so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Fall so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm libo, go Michael. Take a pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6.
Call me love, you can call me baby, all of the above. You can call me late night, and I'll be at your door. You can call me anything or anything you want, just don't call me love.
I walked in the corner with your body screaming door. Never saw the back, but looking like Pablo. This gon' make me feel the way I turn into a lord.
Just don't call me up.
Riding my bike like I'm too young to try. Careless and free like it's 2005. Had to chill the fuck out, take a trip outside to have fun with my friends like I'm young and alive.
Taste of your lips, I wanna ride. You're toxic, I'm sipping on that. Taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic?
Had to chill the fuck out, take a trip outside to have fun with my friends like I'm young and alive. Like I'm young and alive.
Don't you know that you're toxic?
Feeling drunk. very best. No one ever was. Hatchman is my real test. The training is my cause. I'll travel across the land, searching far and wide. Keep up your mind to understand and the power that's inside. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend. In the world we must defend. I'm so true. I'm very from true. You teach me and I'll teach you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know I bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop on the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back. I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there.
We got a good thing, don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never win. Like is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then
Glamorous, 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 glamorous. Flousy, flousy.
Said Coke 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park after dark, smoke that tumbleweed. As the marijuana burn, we can take our turn singing them dirty rap songs. Stop and hit the ball like Cheech and Chong and sell tapes from here to Hong Kong.
I don't want a Valentine, I just want Valentino. I just want that neck, I poke her face like a casino. Dito, no, I get it in like a free throw. Shorty wants some more, she think I seen her keep the leak. I don't want a Valentine, I just want Valentino. I just want that neck, I poke her face like a casino. Dito, no, I get it in like a free throw.
I know someday it'll all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
I'm out and all tired. I'm out and all tired.
I ain't been getting high, but maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Girl, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade is coming at me, I'm with them does it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit.
It's like I waited my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance floor. Cause we
Sure is honestly the best.
I feel like a lot of
You say yes, I say no. You say stop, but I say go, go, go. Oh no. You say goodbye, I say hello.
I like the view.
You're my best view.
shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through?
I'm on that dope again, I'm on that flow again, switch up the flow again, yeah, yeah. Fly in the parachute, gripping that pole again, I'm on that all again, yeah, yeah. Can't get in the cup, gotta get paid, king in the streets, young maid, spraying on the crowd, take to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my is a star. Get rich, better take it to war. Piss on your casket, shoot at your bra.
Can you come?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How is everyone doing? How is everyone feeling? We are back, ready to get ourselves ready to rock and roll, getting ready to see what's going to be coming up on this day. We are back. Oh, traders. As always, it's an absolute joy to be working with you. As always, it's an absolute blessing to be here right here with you at this moment. Team, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to this day. I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to be coming on up. I'm looking forward to see what is going to be the number one hottest play for us today. Yesterday, I made you guys over $800 in profit. Today, we want to be looking for something similar. Today, we want to be looking for a nice big gain. Today, we want to be looking for that nice big rips and runs and spikes and climbs and all that good stuff. So, traders, let's see what's going to be coming on up here today. I know every single person is fired up. I know every single person is excited about the day. I know every single person wants to be getting after it, making this big time money. So traders, let's do exactly that. So we're going to turn off the music here, get ourselves all dialed on in, and let's have ourselves a day. That's all I could say. So what do we have here, team? Starting on off, we are going to be looking at the S&P 500. Now, what we were looking at on the S&P 500 is we were looking at the PPI data. Before we go into the PPI data, we do want to be talking about this real quick. This is a key point that CNBC sent out this morning. It said, Fed up. The Federal Reserve members want to feel more confident that inflation is easing and moving towards a 2% target at their March meeting, where the central bank opt-to interest rates are the same. Policymakers apparently had a long discussion about rising costs, touching on geopolitical turmoil and higher energy prices. The Fed still plans to cut rates from the current benchmark this year, but they don't think it's going to be many times this year. They also had high confidence that it was going to be in June, but after yesterday's CPI data, it has been pushed off from June, and now we're going all the way into summer. Traders, what did I tell you in November? And I'm going to toot my own horn here a little bit. In November, we were supposed to have 6 rate cuts. Then they said we are only going to have 3 rate cuts. And right when they said that we are only going to have 3 rate cuts in 2024, I said, guys, you're not going to have any rate cuts. I said, you will be lucky if you get 1 rate cut in 2024. Because that's all it is. Jerome Powell and, again, the Federal Reserve, they always lie to just try to make traders happy. But then when the time comes to shove, it actually never happens. So please make sure that you understand that we're not having any rate cuts anytime soon because inflation is still at highs. So the thing is, team, it's not happening. Now, we did have brand new PPI data came out this morning, which was accepted a little bit better than the CPI data. So you can see here, it said wholesale prices rose 0.2% less than expected. So producer price index, PPI, a measure of inflation at the wholesale level, increased 0.2% for the month, less than 0.3% estimates from the Dow Jones consensus. So traders, what am I really looking at today? I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I'm focusing on. When I'm taking a look over on the SPY has been holding the 13 EMA, aka this green line. And we've been bouncing, 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 we've been bouncing. And then guess what has happened? We cracked and we fell underneath this green line. Today, traders, I am looking for us to be able to continuously fall back on down. I am looking for us to get a nice drop on down towards around 508. If we do not get the drop today, I do think we will be getting a drop tomorrow. So if we do not get a drop today, I do think we will be getting a drop tomorrow, all the way on down towards around that 508 mark. And I definitely want to make sure every single trader is clearly understanding this. I want to make sure every single person is good to go, where they can say to themselves, hey, you know what? If this does start fading, if this does start falling, if this does start getting weaker, we could see the S&P 500 and we could be able to profit off of this heavily. We already know that inflation is near highs. We are not near highs, but the CPI data is still very bad. We also know that the S&P 500 is cracking the 13 EMA. We also know we have room to run on down towards this 50-day moving average. Either today or tomorrow is when I think we will have a very nice pullback. So, what plays can we be focusing on? The S&P 500 honestly has been a little bit slow. We have been focusing more over on SMCI and NVDA. If you guys were here yesterday, we all traded NVDA together and we were all able to make a monster profit. So yesterday, if you guys were not here, $810 that we were live all day, all morning, all were able to make some big money. All you had to do was just jump in when I jumped in. Very simple, very easy to follow. We had the perfect game plan, all made $810. Now, SMCI here, traders, we want to see what type of momentum is this play going to be bringing us. The reason why I like playing NVDA and why I like playing SMCI is because they had a ton of attention towards them. They have a high volatility behind them. When these plays have high volatility, when these plays have high attention, when these plays have a lot of data behind it, when these plays can have a lot of movement, and we know that we could be able to make a lot of money, that's where I want to be trading. I only trade SMCI, guys, because it's a very fast mover. I only trade NVDA because it's a very fast mover. If they weren't fast, I wouldn't play them whatsoever. I only play these plays because I know there's a lot of potential on them, because there's money to be made on them. So please make sure that you guys fully understand that. So what am I looking at today, team? If anyone's confused in any way, the S&P 500 came out with good PPI data. Still crossing the 13 EMA, still with bad CPI data, still with the fact that we're not going to be cutting rates in July now, or June now. Traders are going to be probably a little bit more negative on themselves. I am looking more for a nice pop right at the start of the day, and then I'm looking for a big turnaround. That's what I'm looking for. I'm still looking for the drop. I'm still looking for weakness. I'm still looking for this thing to be able to get a nice little crack back on down towards sub 515, see NVDA get weaker, and see everything keep on falling. If we do not fall hard today, I am expecting a very hard fall tomorrow. So yes, I am leaning a lot more towards the bearish side, but I do want to wait for that nice setup and wait for the opportunity that's going to be able to make me the most amount of money. So what else do we have going on here today, team? Because there are some hot penny stocks. Now, just a little heads on up, guys. Something that Foxrunner did to make it easy is they did just put all the top gainers and the top losers in right in the headers here. So if you guys are ever, let's say, looking at your news right here saying, okay, what's going to be the next hot press release? What's going to be the next hot news? Whatever it may be, guys, you can always be looking up here and say, okay, ELYM's the top gainer, ALPN's a top gainer, and RENT is a top gainer as well. So if we do change it by just our percentage here, and we check this on out, we can see ELYM, ALPN, and then we also have RENT. Now, let's see what the news is on these plays and why these plays are getting some big rips and big runs. So first things first, we do have ELYM, 3-star press release, 53% gain, does have a news press release behind it, and it does have a agreement. So what is this press release? It's saying that we have a keyword agreement, and the agreement is to acquire $120 million private placement. So when I take a look over here and I see ELYM, what do I want to be seeing? ELYM from the price of $3 and has spiked up towards the price of $4.53. Now this did have a nice high or low setup and had a nice wedge. Unfortunately, this wedge did crack. ELYM is a stock that's up 42%, 18 million in float, and the stock is looking to run up towards around $5 today. If it pulls back, it's going to have support at around $3.75. If it spikes, it's going to have resistance at the old spiking high of $4.50 with your target up towards $5. ELYM is one of the only plays that actually has good potential today out of the penny stock world. There are some hot press releases, but a lot of them have larger floats. 23 million in float, 65 million float, 24 million float, 22, 52, 18, 35. Really the perfect combination for a big breakout is going to be a stock with a hot press release, a stock with a low float, and a stock with a lot of volume. If you have a reason on why traders are going to run in on that play, such as a hot press release. That is going to bring in all the attention, aka all the volume. And if we have a hot reason and we have a lot of volume, when we have a very low supply, aka the low float, that's where the stock goes on a very big spike very quickly. So really, the only stock that could potentially go on a huge rip and run today is probably RENT right here with 1 million in float. And the good news is RENT is the number 3 top gainer. RENT did have a press release this morning that said, let's go ahead and check this on out. RENT, this play had an earnings report. So you can see right here, RENT came out with Q4 2023 earnings. So RENT, more of an earnings report, not any sort of like big star words right here, like EOYM with agreement. But at the same time, guys, it is still a good solid press release. CADL receives treatment. So maybe again, CADL, we could keep our eyes peeled over on that one. But, you know, I'm not really seeing a lot of hot press releases this morning. We always have all the hottest press releases. We always have all the top gainers. We always have absolutely everything we need right here. So, you know, that is absolutely awesome. But nothing I'm really seeing kind of jump off the board for us at this moment that's going absolutely bananas. Okay? What I'm going to be looking for at the start of the day is I want to see if the S&P 500 is going to get a quick little push. Dek, how high can we go up to? Well, we are going to be opening up right next to its 13 EMA. 13 EMA is going to be at the price of 517.70. So watch for a little bit of a pop on up towards right around 517, and then watch for a little bit of a pullback from there. I do think SMCI is going to start with a little bit of a spike. I really do, and I think it's going to try to get up towards like 950. I think NVDA is also going to start with a little bit of a spike as well, and going to try to get up towards around like 890. So I am expecting everything to start off with quick spikes and then get quick pullbacks. That's what I'm looking for. Quick spikes, quick pullbacks. That's going to be the whole entire idea about today. But obviously, we will see what the market brings us and then go from there. Traders, a couple of little announcements. As we know, number one announcement is going to be I will be seeing you guys in person tomorrow. So in person tomorrow, I cannot wait. I believe it's going to rain in the morning. Let me double check right here. But I believe it's going to rain in the morning, and then it is going to get very nice in the afternoon, which is going to be awesome. So let's check out precipitation here. Yeah, so it's going to stop raining by 12 o'clock. So that is going to be good to go. So yes, guys, we are all hands on deck. We have the rooftop party for traders, and I'm so excited for that. So if you guys are coming out, that's going to be an absolute blast here. So again, you know, we this Friday, as you guys know, we have this whole entire rooftop right here, 2:30 and the 5th in New York City, and that's going to be from 5 to 7 p.m. Make sure you guys are coming on out. It does say it's going to rain in tomorrow morning, but it says it's going to stop by 12 o'clock. So that's going to be great. So we will be here tomorrow night from time 5 to 7 p.m., 2:30 and the 5th. Make sure you guys come check on out, and I cannot wait to be meeting all you guys. Also, on Monday, we do have the Double Me Up sale. What's the Double Me Up sale? If you sign up to Tradecaster on Monday and Monday only, not on Sunday night, not on Tuesday, Monday and Monday only, you guys will be getting whatever you sign up for, you will be getting double. 1 month, you will get 2 months. 6 months, you will get 12 months. 12 months, you will get 2 years. And lifetime, we're probably going to do like 20-25% off, something like that. So we're going to be doing a very big discount. Also, if you're saying, hey, Dek, I will get a lifetime, can I get another lifetime? Sure. If you have a family or friend member that you would like to give a lifetime membership towards, I will also work with that as well. So make sure that you guys are all set, ready to go. That is on Monday and Monday only. This sale is too good to basically have more than one day. So the Double Me Up sale coming on up on Monday. Whatever you guys get double. So the bigger the subscription, obviously, the better the deal. So traders, I'm pumped on this day. I am so excited on this day. And I'm really, again, as you guys know, I just want it to be the star of the day already. I'm ready to rock. I'm ready to get after it. I'm ready to trade. I'm ready to make this money. I'm ready to see what's going to be coming on up here. I'm ready to dive right on in. So traders, let's do exactly that. Let's get ready to dive right on in. I need you guys bringing the energy. I need you guys bringing the enthusiasm. I need you guys bringing the hype. And I need you guys ready to absolutely crush it on this day. We have been on fire. So far, stats for 2024. My trading stats for 2024. So far, we have an 89% win rate. We have an average win of $874. We average per day, we trade 3 times per day. So 3 times per day, $874. And on top of that, guys, an 89% win rate. All stats, all credible. Everything I do 100% live right here in front of you. And that is absolutely amazing, absolutely fantastic. I apologize, guys. My eyes are burning. I'm staring into this light. I put in new contacts that my eyes are on fire at this moment. So I'm getting ready to dive right on in, and I want to see if we are going to be seeing where this momentum is going to be taking us here next. But here is all the hot news, and we are all set here. So traders, I'm going to refresh the live stream. If you guys want to watch today, we are not live on YouTube today. We are not live on TikTok today. We are not live on Discord today. Hit the link in the description. Come on over, tradecaster.com. Get yourself a free 7-day pass, and let's get ready to rock and roll. All right? I'm going to have to take these contacts out, guys. They're burning my corneas. So traders, I will see you guys over on tradecaster.com. Get on over here right now. Sign up to a free 7-day pass. We're about to kick off this day, and we're about to start trading live. I'll see you guys back here in just a moment. So refreshing the live stream for all traders so that we're all set, ready to rock and roll.